Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Microwave Me. Today, I'm going to be microwaving what might turn out to be the most pointless item in the world to microwave. A brick. You heard me right, a brick. A boring old brick. Here's Jareth, the Kenmore BEAST. There's the brick. It's going into the microwave. There's a light bulb. It should light things up. And one more thing. The auxiliary microwave illuminator. Oh, and I don't think I've given you a formal introduction to Captain Microwave's Galleon, aka Broken Down Garage. Now it's in for a minute 14. Hoping that's enough. Let's get microwaving. Well, that light bulb and that lantern and obviously that brick didn't do shit. So if I'm going to light this up, I'm going to have to use much better means.